Maps. Earlier, you have read about the globe. In this chapter, you will study about maps, their types, usefulness, and many more aspects associated with them. Apart from the maps, you will read about the directions. All these things are vital and help us evolve basic life skills required in our daily routine. Maps. When we want to study only about some part of the earth, a country, a state, a city, or a village, we need to use a map. A map is a true representation or a drawing of any area of the earth on a flat surface. It is drawn according to a scale. Maps give us accurate information of an area. They are easy to carry and can help to make comparisons between one area and another. Maps are of different types. Several maps are put together in the form of a book, which is called an atlas. The only drawback with maps is that they do not show the accurate shapes and sizes of continents and oceans, especially as we move towards the two poles. Type of maps. Maps are of three types. Number one, physical maps. Number two, political maps. Number three, thematic maps. Maps which show natural features of the earth, such as mountains, plateaus, rivers, and plains, are known as physical or relief maps. Maps showing districts, cities, towns, states, and countries and their boundaries are called political maps. Certain maps which provide specific information about roads, building structures, railways, rainfall, crops, population, etc., are called thematic maps. Components of maps. To study any map, we need to understand certain basic concepts as given below. Number one, distance between two points or scale. Number two, direction or cardinal points. Number three, symbols or conventional signs. Scales. Distances are shown with the help of scale. It is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and its corresponding distance on the map. When the area to be represented is large, a country or continent, we use a small scale. But when the area is small, then a large scale is represented. Large scale maps can show more details as compared to small scale maps. A scale can be shown in three ways. Number one, representative fraction, RF. For example, 1 is to 10 lakh or 1 by 10 lakh means that 1 centimeter on the map indicates 10 lakh centimeter on the ground. The numerator expresses the unit on the map and denominator denotes the unit on the ground. Number two, statement of scale. In this, The scale is given in the form of a sentence. For example, a scale 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Means that 2 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. Number 3, linear or graphical scale is shown by a graduated line exhibiting both kilometers and meters. It is used for measuring distances between any two points on the map with the help of a string, ruler, or a divider. Cardinal points of direction. A vertical line with an arrow head, generally in the northern part of the map, with the letter N written, indicates the north direction. Once you know where the north is, we can easily find out the other directions, namely the east, the west, and the south. These are referred to as the cardinal points of the compass. Besides these, there are the intermediary directions: northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. These directions help one to find out the location of places with greater accuracy. A magnetic compass can also be used to find out the directions of a place, as the magnetic needle always point in the north-south direction. If there is no indicator to show the north, the top of the map is considered as the north. Symbols. While drawing a map, it is not possible to show the actual shapes and sizes of the different features like a road, bridge, market, school, etc. Certain signs and symbols are used to show these features. These are called the conventional symbols. In physical maps, different colors are used to show different physical features. Green color is used for plains, yellow for deserts, brown for highlands and mountains, while blue is used to show rivers, seas, and oceans. These symbols not only make the maps easy to interpret, but also give a lot of information in a limited space. Tourists usually take the help of maps to study the area properly. Maps use a variety of signs which any traveler can easily understand, as they are the internationally accepted signs and symbols. Actually, there is an international understanding for using the same symbols to show certain specific features in the same manner. Sketch. A rough drawing of any area based on memory drawn without a scale is called a sketch. It helps to locate or show places which we need to visit. We often find sketches drawn on wedding cards so as to make it easy for the guests to reach the venue. Direction and distances are shown in sketches, but no scale is used. In this way, a sketch gives us an overall idea about the location of any place. Plan. Maps show several features, but no map can show the details of buildings and structures. A plan is a drawing which shows the layout of a building. It is a drawing of any small area on a large scale with all the necessary minute details. It is used by architects who design houses. We can use it to show the actual sizes of the rooms along with doors, windows, almirahs, etc. A plan is drawn according to a scale.